Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today let's make some delicious raw mango rasam and let's get straight into the recipe. Take quarter cup of tur dal and rinse thoroughly. Take one small size raw mango, approximately 150 grams. Chop them roughly and remove the seed. We pressure cook one half and use the other half directly in the rasam. For this rasam, we don't use the tamarind at all. All the tangy and sour flavor are going to come from the raw mango. Add about half cup of water to the raw mango and 1 cup of water to the tur dal, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/8 teaspoon of gingerly oil, and pressure cook this for 3 whistles. I am using my pressure cooker separators to pressure cook the dal and the raw mango, but you can use whatever vessel you have. Chop the remaining half of the mango and set them aside. We need quarter cup of the chopped mango. You can also grate the mango and add it to the rasam. It's totally a personal choice. And I don't use any tomatoes. I want the mango flavor to dominate, so I don't use tomatoes or tamarind for this rasam. And here are the chopped mango. The dal and mangoes are also pressure cooked. Let it cool. Now take a vessel in which you are going to make the rasam. I am using my tin alloy vessel or vidhyashomecooking. Add quarter cup of the chopped mango, 2 tablespoons of rasam powder, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 teaspoons salt and curry leaves and 2 cups of water. Mix it well. You can use your hands to mix it well, and now bring this mix to a boil. With tin alloy vessel, you cannot keep the empty vessel directly in the heat. So we add all the ingredients and then heat it. While the rasam is simmering, let's take out the flesh part from the cooked mangoes and discard the skin. You can keep the skin too, but sometimes the mango skin, they are bitter and it adds a bitter taste. So I discard them from the cooked batch. Add the flesh to the tur dal and the mango water as well, and mash the tur dal and the mango thoroughly. When the rasam comes to a boil, add this tur dal mixture plus half more cup of water. We need 4.5 to 5 cups of water for this rasam. Now add this tur dal mixture to the rasam and also add quarter teaspoon of jaggery. I personally like freshly ground pepper in my rasam, so I add half teaspoon of it, but that's optional. You can check for salt at this stage, and if needed, you can add more as to taste. And now add 1 tablespoon of cilantro and reduce the heat and let the rasam become frothy. When the rasam becomes frothy, let's prepare the tempering on the side. So heat 1 teaspoon of ghee and temper quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and add this to the frothy rasam. Make sure we don't want to boil the rasam at this stage, and add 1 more table of cilantro and close the rasam vessel so that the flavors can steep in. That's it. Delicious and yummy mango rasam is ready. You can enjoy this with hot rice. Please do try this rasam and let me know your thoughts and feedback. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and check out more recipes at vidhyashomecooking.com. Thank you.